All right, guys, we are at the river today, and it is definitely very, very low, very clear, actually almost summertime levels. So we're gonna have to really downsize presentations, really be sneaky and careful, but I think if we cover enough water and try hard enough, we might get lucky. So got the spinning rod today. I love bait casters, but in this low clear water, moved down to fixed floats, little tiny beads, and a spinning rod. So let's do it. All right, guys, so here we are, and like I said, low clear water, tiny little, I mean, this is basically like fishing summertime. So it's very important to be as stealthy as possible. And I'm really going to focus on trying to find deeper water and faster water where these fish can hide and get out of the clear sight. They're not going to be sitting in the normal holes that they would be. You know, they're going to be sitting in the deeper, faster water, trying to stay where you can't see them, where predators can't get them. I know there's some cutthroat in here as well, so So what I like to do is, I lost my split shot, I think. Oh no. When the water is this low and clear like this, these fish can see you, you know, just as good, or if not better. Actually, most of the time probably better than you can see them. So I don't like to walk right up, you know. I could easily walk out and stand in these rocks, stand in that sand, but I kind of hide, stay behind, you know, some structure, stay low. Try and stay stealthy so these fish don't see you. Got him. Actually a sweet looking hole. You've got a good run up there, and you've got a nice, tapers out into a nice hole. So I'm going to start up, I'm on my knees right now actually, just so staying stealthy so these fish can't find me and I don't spook them, and trying to keep a really, really natural presentation. You can probably see that bobber just floating down. Trying to keep it really natural. There's got to be at least a cutthroat in this hole. This looks good. No flipping way. I caught a steely. Freaking nice one too. I did it. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Beautiful wild steelhead on a little tiny bead. Oh my gosh. Oh. Beauty. Bye-bye, buddy. Yes. All right, guys, that was awesome. So obviously I didn't get much footage of the fish catch. The water was super, super low, super clear. I covered a ton. When the water's that low, you can really hike a lot of that river. So I hiked around a ton, and I killed my memory on my GoPro. And then I ended up hooking up, and I tried to get some footage with my phone here as I was fighting the fish and trying to land him. And so I got a little bit there, but it was awesome. I mean, in that condition, when the water's that low and clear, it's tough. And just to get on a fish was awesome. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And there's going to be more videos coming soon, guys. We're going to get out there this weekend and hopefully slay some more.